that's moving. This floor, I would say, dominating. I really should probably not be standing out here. That's the draft right there. It's sucking all the way over there. Can't see it anymore. There used to be a funnel cloud right over there. The rain started just come right in. Okay, I better get inside. Yeah, the wind's really picking up. It's probably 30, 40 miles an hour winds coming right in right now. It's gonna be some hail pretty soon, I bet. But right over there, I took some photos of my iPhone. But there was a funnel cloud that appeared right behind the skyline. Oh, check this out. Whew. Look at that. Oh, that's hail. Yeah. Getting hailed on here. Wow. That is something else. Right. Yeah. Okay, I'm getting a little scared. I'm gonna go inside. Holy cow. I'm gonna try to get some pictures from my I gotta close this up here. Wow. You can't see. Yeah, this hail, I don't know, normal size hail. But man, it just came in like a wall. I mean, you can see it coming from the lake. The lake's just buzzing all sorts of waves and stuff. People are down there, they just got hammered. You heard a little few yelps and screams from people just not expecting the hail. You can see little bits of it here and there. Now it's starting to calm down a little bit. But that was just a big draft. You saw it moving in. It just looked like a wall of rain and hail and messiness. I'll try to go back outside. Still going, but we're more or less outside the danger zone here. Pick some of this up. Look at that. Well, it's still going pretty good out here, but there's the hail.